Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you all today with a discussion on Let's Talk Wire. All right, y'all. So the other day, of course, y'all know that the craft stores got me. I was in Michael's. They had Michael's had a coupon where you get two things for 50% off. Was it Michael's or Joann's Fabric? It was one of them. And then I went to Michael's and I went to Joann's Fabric, and I really saved some really decent money. But I wanted to come to y'all today to talk to y'all about wire. Okay, now there are so many different types of wire. You got aluminum wire, you got regular craft wire that you use. So I'm coming to y'all, I'm going to show y'all a couple of different ones that I use for my projects. Now I'm going to tell y'all something. The other day I decided to get, and I hardly ever buy 16 gauge wire, but I'm going to tell y'all something. Okay, this is 16 gauge wire that I bought a long time ago. And I don't even remember what I made out of this wire. This is silver. I'm not crazy about the silver, but I'm telling you this. I'm loving this gold. This is one of the rings that I made using this wire. Now, let me tell y'all something about 16 gauge wire. 16 gauge wire is perfect for anything that you want to make. And my reasons for saying that is because it's the type of wire that is giving, but it's also, if you make it into a design, it will stay that way. It's not like the 12 gauge. The 12 gauge wire, it's really, really soft. It's you sometimes when you making certain projects, you got to hammer it down to make it stiff and all that good stuff. This 16 gauge, y'all, the thing that I wish that the 16 gauge had the thickness of 12 gauge, because you could really, and you can still make some awesome projects using this 16 gauge wire. Okay, I made this ring, y'all, and I was like, OMG, this is awesome. I never really used 16 gauge wire too much, but I'm telling y'all, I'm going to be using this wire from here on out. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use my 20 gauge wire. I like getting this 20 gauge wire right here because I like the color. I like that it's tarnish resistant, and it's got 15 yards on here. I think this one only has 10 yards, but this has 15 yards. And I also like it. And now I started using this wire, I'm going to say pretty much last year. I wasn't really too sure of it, but once I started using it, I love it. I love it. Like these two 20s is pretty much the same, except for this is copper wire, and it's copper underneath, but this is brass wire, so there is a difference. Now this wire right here is 26 gauge wire, and this is some little wire that I got from Dollar General for like $2. And this is the really, really thin wire, and this is like for wrapping, like if you're wrapping something together for a bridal or like flowers or something like that. I wouldn't really use this wire for too many projects other than wrapping stuff together. And this is that really, really fine wire, because 26 gauge is the higher the number, the smaller the gauge. The smaller the number, the lower the number, the thicker the gauge. Okay, so I just wanted to come to y'all today to just share this with y'all, to let y'all know, go get you some goodness. I don't know if Joann's and Michael's are still having these sales going on, but I'm telling y'all, like, I am so in love with this. Like, I would have never known And see, this is what this is why I tell everybody to go and try different things. Like, go and get yourself some wire and sit down and play with it and do some different things with it, because you don't know what you're going to like. You just don't know what you're going to like. And like I said, I am just in love with this. This right here is like, I'm in love with that. Like, this is my next thing to this. I love aluminum wire, but this right here, yeah, I love that. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell on the side so that when I upload more videos, ladies and gentlemen, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.